Hi, I'm Justine from Canada. Welcome to my series of videos about things. Today is video number 4. This is the 4th video. Today we're going to talk about things that taste spicy. Spicy foods make your mouth feel hot. Spicy foods make your mouth feel hot. The first thing that is spicy is chilies. Chili peppers are spicy. They taste spicy. Chili peppers grow on a plant. Chilies can be red, green, orange, or yellow. Chilies are a very common ingredient in many foods. Chilies taste great. I love eating foods with lots of chili. Number 2. The second thing that is spicy is wasabi. Wasabi is spicy. It feels hot in your mouth. Wasabi also makes your nose run. Your nose gets runny when you eat wasabi. Wasabi comes from the root of a plant. The root of a plant is the part that grows under the soil or in the soil. The roots grow in the soil. The root is ground up. You grind up the root to make wasabi. Wasabi is usually eaten with sushi. You put a little bit of wasabi on top of your sushi. You put a little bit of wasabi on top of your sushi and eat it. Wasabi tastes great, but it's very spicy. Number 3. The third thing that is spicy is ginger. Ginger also comes from the root of a plant. The roots that grow in the soil make ginger. The roots are ground up to make ginger. Ginger is in many different types of foods. Ginger is not as spicy as wasabi and chili. They're very spicy. Ginger is less spicy. Ginger is not as spicy as chili and wasabi. Ginger is spicy if you eat a lot of ginger. Ginger is an ingredient in many different types of foods. Number 4. The fourth thing that is spicy is pepper. Pepper is not the same as chilies. Chili peppers and pepper are not the same. Pepper also grows on a plant, but pepper is the fruit of this plant. The peppercorns are really small fruits. The peppercorns are dried and ground up to sprinkle on your food. You grind up the pepper so that you can put it on your food. Pepper can be sprinkled on many different types of foods. I love to eat all types of food that are spicy. What about you? Do you like spicy foods? Thank you for watching this video. In the next video in the series, we're going to talk about things that are sharp. Things that are sharp. Ow. Make sure to give this video a nice big like and subscribe to English Fiesta for more English comprehensible input videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.